leads to a cross-game in a series of games on Switch and Xbox One, things are taking a whole new level. The Nintendo Switch will have access to the Xbox Game Pass, which means that you can play those games on the Switch, and that the Switch can also run the next Microsoft Cloud game streaming service. Big moves, and a more or less unprecedented association between two possible rivals that has the potential to reformulate the full dynamics of the console's career and continue taking out Sony, who does not seem so inclined to want to play with others. However, all this talk about the Xbox things that come to Switch makes me think of one thing in particular. That phrase would have sounded like a complete lack of meaning, even a few months ago, but things are changing quickly. The Switch is about to run both the Xbox Game Pass and the Microsoft streaming service. Around the world, I can say that maybe Nintendo could simply adopt Xbox Live and its infrastructure online. Nintendo has never been able to correctly understand the online game. The current system might be your best try yet, but it is still full of voice chat problems via a phone application, and is way behind PSN and Xbox Live. The lower cost of service does not make up for the fact that the service is terrible and, for whatever reason, Nintendo simply cannot control online games as its rivals do.